friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about the MSI next generation Sumit E16 Flip EVO laptop. So friend, MSI Sumit E16 Flip EVO, which will be launching soon with upgraded specification. And friend, the thing that stands out the most is that all Intel CPU and GPU specification, which include Alder CPU and Arc Alchemist Discrete GPU. So starting with the specification, we have the Intel Core i7-12700H, which is a high-end 14-core chip for the mobility segment, and it comes with a boost clock of up to 4.70 GHz, has a max TDP of 115 watt, and the CPU is no slouch and currently one of the fastest mobile chips out the market. And friend, then we have the GPU side, which features the Arc A370M. The Intel Arc A370M Discrete GPU based on the Alchemist DG2 graphics architecture was leaked yesterday, and the GPU will feature 128U for the Arc A370M and 32Us for the UHD 770i GPU feature on the Core i7-12700H CPU. And the dGPU also features 4 GB GDDR6 memory and runs across a 128-bit bus interface. And the GPU is accepted to be around the GeForce RTX 3050 in terms of performance and faster than the RX 6500M, while also packing advanced RT and XeSS features. And other specifications for the MSI Sumit E16 Flip EVO laptop include 32 GB of DDR5-6400 memory and Windows 11 operating system. And it will be a very high-end laptop design retailing around the $1,500 to $2,000 price based on its specification. And the performance listed here on the pair with the other Core i7-12700 laptops, since the benchmark is mostly CPU dependent. And this can be easily spotted since the A370 matches the laptop configuration featuring the RTX 3080 Ti. So if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.